Hello guys and welcome back. Introducing to you a new project, and in today's video it's going to be by Shobha Realty. So Shobha Realty, as you already know, they have already master communities. You have the Shobha Heartland 1, then you have the Shobha Heartland 2, and now they are coming up with their new release of launch, which is going to be a community complex that consists of 6 buildings. Here you're going to have 4 buildings that's going to be residential, and 2 of them, well, it's not confirmed yet, but it could be commercial or retail store. That is yet to be confirmed by the management. But so far, what is already confirmed is you have these 6 buildings, and this building right here, this is going to be the first launch. Then you have the second, third, and fourth building that's going to be residential. Now, the beauty about this project is it is located on Sheikh Zayed Road. So this is the Sheikh Zayed Road, and you have 2 entrances and 2 exits. Your 2 entrances are going to be from Sheikh Zayed Road. You'll have to basically take the service lane and the other one from the backside. And your 2 exits are going to be directly from the building, taking from Sheikh Zayed Road and having that easy access. So basically, as you can see, these 2 exits coming right from the building, this is going to be your exit, and your entrance is going to be one from the service lane and the other one from the backside. Also, this project is just few minutes away from the metro station, so you do have the Jebel Ali metro station walkable distance. And where this is basically positioned is, let's say this is the Shobha Central. Where I'm standing is the JLT. Opposite to Sheikh Zayed Road, you have the marina. So basically, these units will be facing towards the marina, the Blue Waters Island, and the sea views. And the units facing towards the other side would be basically facing towards the community, the Discovery Gardens, etc. So views-wise, I would say the best of the views are facing towards the Sheikh Zayed Road and the sea views. Close proximity-wise, we're looking at 15 minutes away from Palm Jebel Ali, 15 minutes away from Palm Jumeirah Marina, about 5 minutes away from Ibn Battuta Mall because it's very close by. And then you're looking at just 10 minutes away towards the JLT area, about 30 minutes away from Al Maktoum International Airport. Also, another point to be mentioned here is that in Shobha Central, you are going to have one floor of mall, which is going to be the Market Central. So basically, the residences here can just enjoy shopping and cafe and restaurant experiences just within the complex. The amenities for the Shobha Central will be located above the podium levels. So you can say it will be on the 10th floor, where you're going to have 4 acres of all the amenities and facilities, and there will be 50 plus of them. I am going to leave a few renders here on the screen for you to have the idea of the amenities that will be provided within this complex. Now, what we have here is 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms, and the first project, as I mentioned, will be this one. This is going to be 75 floors. So let's start with this one. This is going to be G plus 9 floors of podium, and then you're going to have 65 floors of residential floors. Then this one is going to be up to 75 floors. And this one right here is going to be up to 90 floors, which is still not yet confirmed if it's going to be a commercial or a residential or a retail units. The sizes for the 1 bedrooms will be between 570 going up to 780 square feet, and the prices here will start from 1.5 million, can go up to 2.2 million. That will depend on the floors, your views, your sizes, etc. And then you have the 2 bedrooms here as well, which is going to be between 900 going up to 1,550 square feet, and the prices here will start from 2.4 going up to 4.5 million dirhams. So basically, the investors can go for the small ticket prices, and the end users can go for the larger units. The payment plan here will be 60-40, 60% during construction and 40% here will be on handover, which is expected by the Q4 2029. So you have an easy payment plan spread across 4 years. The bookings have already begun, and if you are interested in securing your unit here in Shobha Central, then get in touch with me, call or WhatsApp me, and I'll be able to assist you. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.